So you take accounting and you go through the curriculum, and there's this course called Intermediate Accounting. And it's basically the litmus test. Are you an accountant or not?
Yeah.
You don't do well in intermediate accounting, you're probably changing majors. Just saying. So you get through that, and then, okay, now I get my accounting degree. I get my certification as a CPA. Great. But that doesn't mean that defines you completely. So there's this, they used to call them the soft skills. I really don't like that. I prefer that we call them the power skills.
Yeah.
Because you take a really good accounting student that doesn't have a well-developed personality and doesn't work well with others in groups and can't relate well with their clients, well, that person's going to struggle in that career. The power skill is somebody who has really good interpersonal skills, somebody that can look at information or data and articulate an idea of how we might move forward, that will work well with others to facilitate those conversations. Those are power skills.
Wow.
So we need to think about everything that you get in higher education. The liberal arts teaches you how to think and read and write, critically analyze things, articulate your opinion, give a rationale why you believe what you believe. Those are power skills that come directly out of the liberal arts. So the liberal arts are the core of learning, and then it's like a pinwheel. You could stay in the liberal arts. You can go into the social sciences. You can go into the humanities. You can go into the arts. You can go into a professional area like accounting or management or finance. It's a pinwheel. So you figure out what you want to do, the thing that interests you, but the nucleus is the liberal arts of learning. So you know about the world. You know about history. You know about economics. You know about philosophy, the arts. And all of a sudden, people can have a conversation with you.
Yes.
And maybe you don't know all the answers, but you know the questions to ask, and then you look at them and say, now I understand. Thank you for clarifying that for me. So you're constantly building this knowledge set, but it's not just vocationally directed. It's about the world.
Wow.
And if you have that worldview and those liberal arts, that good learning curriculum, which we have a great one at Moorhead, faculty do a phenomenal job with that. Then somebody can walk up to you and talk to you at lunch and say, so what do you think about, and you'll probably be able to pull the question apart and put it back together, ask a few questions, and then come up with an opinion.
Yeah.
And it's probably a pretty informed opinion or something that's defensible.
Yeah.
That's a skill.